PropStream is a powerful real estate data platform. In this video, we will show you how to export property lists using CSV downloads and filters. This allows you to extract targeted leads for analysis in tools like Excel or your CRM. First, log into PropStream and navigate to the Lists tab. You can either select an existing list or create a new one by specifying your search criteria, such as location and property type. The key is to define your target audience before exporting. Remember that PropStream updates data monthly, pulling from public records. Now, let's refine your list using filters. PropStream offers a range of built-in filters, including property status, vacant, occupied, value range, equity percentage, and foreclosure data. Combine these filters for precise targeting, such as finding single-family homes in a specific zip code with high equity. Once your filters are applied, click Export and choose the CSV format. Your downloaded CSV file will include column headers for essential data like address, owner name, estimated value, and mortgage information. Here you can see how the data appears in a spreadsheet format. Keep in mind that basic plans offer 500 free exports per month, while premium plans offer unlimited exports. Ensure you comply with data usage laws when handling personal information within the CSV file.